This is Vincent. Today we'll learn about trading Forex, which is one of the most lucrative way you can make money online right now. No bullshit. It's quite risky. At the same time, you need to learn how to manage your risk. Today we'll be talking about the pin bar. We'll look into a method that I use myself personally when I'm trading. I like trading on the 4-hour time frame. So on this chart it's a live chart. I also placed a trade today on the US dollar Japanese yen. I bought. So far the trade is doing quite well. A little bit is still just began. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So yeah, without wasting a lot of time, let me just open by a pin bar. I mean something that looks like this. This is the body. We have the wick, and then the nose right here. And for when you want to go long, this one's the body as well, the wick or the tail. So what you do here, you buy here once the pin bar is closed. You can open a trade, or you can wait for the 50% retracement, where the retracement will go like this, will come down and the 50% and go up like that. So here we will follow a certain strategy or a pattern that I normally use to trade. First, we have some rules to follow. You will buy and put a stop loss here, or wait for the retracement and put a stop loss underneath the pin bar. On a bullish market, on a bearish market, you will open a trade here, or wait for the retracement or the 50%, or if you open here, then you put your stop loss just above the 50% stop loss, retracement, and then you also sell on the break. Rules will be, before you can take any trade, check the trend first. So let's look into this chart here. We'll see this market is trending higher, and then here you can see it's just ranging. So on the ranging market, you can go either way, and here is also ranging. See, there's no going up, also going up and down. It's touching these levels here, and here. See, keeps coming up and down. So here we see this is more like, it is a strong bearish signal, this one, but it's not much of convincing pin bar, but you know, we can use it as a pin bar, and then you will have waited for the retracement, the 50% retracement, and open a trade here and go down with it. But this I wouldn't have traded in. I don't recommend, if you are a newbie, to trade on it. So I'll advise you to trade on this signals like this one. The first rule we say, look at the levels. I mean, the trend is ranging, so fine. So this is at the range, previous range, it closed off around here. So you see it formed a pin bar around the area. We have to look at the area. It doesn't close exactly where it was previously. Look at the area, and you also look at the so look for the pin bar at the support area, resistance in line with the trend. So now you see, according to this range, is supposed to be going down right now, then so you wanna be selling here at the close of this. Like from here, you wanna be selling. And then what else? So you set your stop loss at 50% of the pin bar, and set a target to take a profit. It could be 2 to 1, 3 to 1, or 4 to 1. I'll show you what that does that mean. So look here, you want to sell here, and then we'll look into how much you are risking here. You are risking just about let's say you put your stop at the end here, you risk about 28, but mean that about 17 will be your 50% retracement. And then how much you want to gain. If you want to gain 2 to 1, it says 20 that you are risking. Here you will have made 2 to 1 risk reward ratio, and here you'll be 3 to 1, here it will be 4 to 1. Then you have made 4 to 1, 4 times what you are risking, you could have made money. On the second one, here we see another pin bar, again on the same level. It touches the level, you selling, you put your stop losses about 20 pips, above 21 pips, and then now you stand a chance to make about 6 to 1 risk reward ratio. But I don't really recommend that you always go for a 6 to 1 spot. Sometimes it doesn't really go that much. I think 4 to 1 on a 4-hour chart is for a pin bar is a fair risk reward, and there's always another day for trade. And there's another thing that I wanted to share with you about some pin bars. So this pin bar here almost formed at the level, and then it did come to the retracement, and then it failed. So you won't win all the time. Sometimes you will have those pin bars that fails, and then you have to take it as well. But the strategy of using a pin bar, it works most of the time. Look at this one, another example where we had a nice pin bar and it retraced. I bet you could have just entered here in the break above here, and then you could have risked about close to 40, making 3 to 1 risk reward ratio. That's the most rewarding one. And then I think that's more like it about the pin bar. If you guys have more questions asking about things that you don't understand, how you can enter, and things like that, I'm willing to just give you answers. I can respond at any time. So thank you guys. Subscribe.